Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
Up first this evening, there's optimism as a mother continues seeking funds for a life-changing surgery for her conjoined twins.
Though the condition is rare, one surgeon says the 11-month-old girls should be okay post-operation. Romarda Lyons reports.
A rare condition locally, but the chances of a successful separation are very high. If their mother is able to raise the funds needed for the surgery, 11-month-old conjoined twins Azaria and Azora can lead healthy lives post-separation. Surgeon Dr. Alfred Dawes explains why.
In this situation, the twins shared the abdominal organs, and they actually have the highest rate of success in terms of separation where both twins survive. So it's a scenario where it's unfortunate that this would have happened, but it is the best of any possibilities of bad situations where they could have been joined at the head or they share one heart.
In those cases, survival is slim, even before surgery.
It may be that you have to sacrifice one of the babies in order to save the other one, or it could be that both just have a poor prognosis and they die soon after birth.
Luckily for these girls, the surgery has been given the green light. However, there were risk factors before, much to their mom's disappointment.
My hopes build up because I say, yeah, I count down, say, all right, June, them I go to them separation. Then for years, say, nah, I go do the worst thing that.
She works as a hairdresser, and there's a twofold challenge: not being able to see them often and not raising enough funds.
So sometimes when I get figure like a day or two, because I have my little thing for do. I do ears, so I have that for do. And if me get up and go there every day, I can't go make two ends meet, so I have to do my little work.
Dr. Dawes further explains how having conjoined twins is a possibility.
When you have the fertilized egg not completely splitting into two so that you end up with two different eggs that go on to form the identical twins. In this case, because the egg has not completely split off from each other, then you have shared organs, and they could share they could be joined at the head, or they could be joined at the chest.
In the case of Azaria and Azora, if they are to get a shot at survival, there is need for great support care post-surgery. Unfortunately, that's not offered in Jamaica.
This is so rare. Siamese twins occur in anywhere from 1 in 49,000 to 1 in 189,000 pregnancies. So this is not something that is seen a lot of in our practice locally. So overseas, where they have the technical expertise in separating the twins and the aftercare, that is the best place to have these twins right now.
It is very important for them to grow and live separate lives, like separate, not being joined. Because it's a clean belly, face to face. I can't imagine for see them walk it join on together, like can't imagine that.
Anyone who wants to assist, donations can be made to these accounts on screen. Romarda Lyons, TVJ News.
Now, just a reminder of those bank accounts on screen. So the JN account 209-4737-638. That's JN account, Halfway Tree Branch, or NCB account. The number is 065-249-588, and that's the Duke Street branch.